Hey y'all, so I'll be showing you guys how I prep my nails for my acrylic sets. This is what I do to ensure that my nails last with no lifting or cracking or anything like that. I'm going to start by using this ceramic drill bit set that I picked up from Amazon. I'll just be using the smaller bits in this set. And I was so happy, y'all, that they had this little drill bit brush in here because I've never used one before. So I'll definitely get some use out of that. But I'm really just going in here to start with this tiny bit. And this is really going to get down into the cuticle area to lift up any of that dead skin that has grown out onto the nail bed. Alright, so before I start drilling, I like to go ahead and push my cuticles back using this cuticle pusher. You do not want to use a lot of pressure with this. You want to gently push the cuticle back. And when I say push the cuticle back, what you're doing is you're releasing this dead cuticle that has grown up onto the nail bed. It looks kind of clear. You'll be able to see it if you look closely at your nails. So you want to push that back. It does just make it easier to release it when you're drilling it off. Alright, so I have my drill placed on a medium speed. I'm going to go ahead and drag the file along the cuticle line, and I'm not using a lot of pressure at all. You do not want to press this into the cuticle. You want the file to do the work. Alright, now that I've done that part, I'm going to go ahead and remove the free edge of my nails. And I only remove the free edge of my nails this low when I'm doing a clear set because you don't want them showing through. But if you're not doing a clear set, you can feel free to leave the free edge of your nails. But I'm just going to go ahead and remove them. And usually I would do this part first before I start any filing, but the order really doesn't matter. Now for me, my eponychium does grow up pretty high. That's the skin that attaches the nail to your actual finger. So I like to flip my hand over so that I don't clip that and injure myself. Alright, so this is a soft sanding bit. I'm going to go back over the cuticle area And because the top of it is flat, I'll be able to get in tighter where the skin meets the nail to further release any of that cuticle. Okay, now I'm going to switch to an actual sanding band. It is imperative that you use a new sanding band every time you use one. So you can get these big packages from Amazon. I'll link them below. But I'm just going to apply this to my sanding band bit. And then I'm going to go over the actual nail bed to release any oils and take just the very fine top layer of the nail off. Again, do not use a lot of pressure because these can burn you, and you can file your nail too thinly to the point it's sensitive and it will cause you pain. Alright, so this is what my nails look like after I have done all of those processes, but that is not all I do. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step for me is to remove any dirt underneath my nails. It could be food, it could be hot Cheeto stains, whatever you have. I like to use this pointed bit. I just glide it right along. Again, I'm not using any pressure, but I do like to do like a back and forth sweeping motion just to clear it all out. But if your nails are pretty clean, you can skip this part, or you can just go over it with a nail brush and some hot water and soap. And then after that, if I see anything that I missed, I do go back over the cuticle area to remove some skin or cuticle that may have been harder to reach or harder to remove with the other bits. And as y'all can see, it was quite a lot. With this one being a little more pointy, it can get in a little bit closer to the cuticle. I don't like to go in too far because I don't want to cause injury to myself. But as y'all can see, this part does not need to be skipped. Alright, after I'm satisfied with how everything looks, I just brush off any nail dust. And I'm just using a nail brush. I got a packet of them from Amazon. I'll link them below as well. But it really removes the nail dust. And I'm pretty satisfied with how they came out. If you guys follow these steps, you can ensure that you can get a longer lasting acrylic set. And these are the nails that I did. I didn't record them. I didn't have camera space. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.